In the heart of Egypt, the ancient pyramids rise majestically from the desert sands. The Great Pyramid of Giza, the largest and most famous of all.
Three giants of stone, standing for over 40,500 years. Surrounded by the endless sands, these wonders continue to amaze.
Their precision and scale remain a mystery even today.
Each stone weighs tons, perfectly placed. Constructed with remarkable accuracy. A masterpiece of human engineering. Inside, passageways lead to hidden chambers. Inside, passageways lead to hidden chambers. Visitors from around the world marvel at this wonder. Its alignment with the stars is still studied today. Ancient workers left their marks, silent witnesses of time. The Great Pyramid stands in harmony with its companions. A testament to the vision and skill of ancient Egypt. The Pyramid of Khafre, slightly smaller but still imposing.
Its capstone once gleamed in polished limestone.
The smallest of the three, yet equally remarkable.
Each pyramid aligns perfectly on the Giza Plateau.
The massive stones demonstrate incredible craftsmanship.
Generations continue to explore and admire these structures.
Light and shadow play across ancient stones.
A breathtaking view from above.
As the sun sets, the pyramids glow with ancient splendor.
Silent guardians of Egypt's legacy.
The Great Sphinx, watching over the desert for thousands of years. Its massive pores and intricate carvings are a marvel.
Visitors are awed by its scale and history.
Erosion tells the story of millennia.
Bathed in sunset, the Sphinx exudes timeless majesty.
A perfect harmony of monuments and nature.
The plateau at dusk, a scene frozen in time.